Hello dear soulmate, today I'm making this beautiful round neck top. Just this easy, very simple. So now let's get into it. First of all, I'll fold my fabric into four. So now I want to get my shoulder. I'm measuring for the shoulder. The shoulder is 14 divided by 2, which is 7. So I'm going to place the tape at 7 and then measure the shoulder. So from there I'll be coming down by 8 for our armhole. This 8 is just basic for an adult. For our arm, this is just basic for an adult. So I'm coming down by 8. So I'll connect the lines like this. Very easy. So for the neck, I want to do 3.5 by 3.5 to avoid it being too tight for the owner. So I'll be doing 3.5 by coming down now by 3.5. So I'm going to draw the lines together and connect it. So that's for the front. But for the back, I want to do it by 2. So I'm going to curve for the front, which is 3.5 by 3, but for the back I'll be doing it by 2. So you see me draw another curve now. That curve is for the back, because normally the back is always higher compared to the front. So this is the back. So now I'm going to connect the armhole lines like this. So for your armhole, what you do is you divide your armhole into 2, which is 4. Then you come out by 0.5 and then put a line for the front, because normally if you check your cloth, you see your cloth, the front is a bit deeper compared to the back. So I'm going to draw the curve for the front. Your front is normally bigger, deeper compared to the back. So for the I'm going to measure the bust. The bust is 33 divided by 2. I'm adding 1.5 inches because it doesn't have a lining. 33 divided by 2, adding 1.5 because we're not using any lining. So I'm going to connect my lines. For the length, I'm doing 22 because it's just a short top. So now I'm going to slant here by half an inch. That is how you draw your basic body. Very easy. Very if you're a beginner, this is very easy. You will not make mistake doing this. Just follow this step and you get it exactly. I'm going to cut out this. I'm cutting out this particular one. So what I want to do now, when I get to this point, I want to now draw for the back. I'm going to draw the armhole for the back. So I'm cutting the arm. I'm going to cut out this side. So I'm going to draw the armhole now for the back. See, you see the back is not as deep as the front. So you see that other line is for the back. So I'll cut it out now and then I'll open it and then remove. I'll open it and then remove the back. I'll move the back and then cut the front, because I've cut the back neck. So I want to cut the front neck and then the front armhole. So you watch me as I'm going to cut the front neck and then cut the front armhole, because normally it's good when your front is deeper compared to the back. It's going to give you this kind of beautiful shape when you wear it. So I'm going to now cut out the front armhole. Very easy. So after this, we are already done with our basic bodies for a top, for a shirt. This is how to draw a basic body for a cloth. For any cloth you're cutting, this is how to draw a basic body. Very easy. So I want to cut the hand. So for the hand, we are doing the length of 10. We're doing length of 10. Then I'm going to draw another line. This line is going to be, we're going to draw a curve. I'm going down by 4. So the round arm is 5 plus 2 inches. So I'm going to connect my lines. The round arm I use is 5 plus 2 inches. So I'm going to connect my lines just like this, and I'm going to cut out. So I'll cut out the first arm and the second one. So I'm going to cut it out. Very simple. And then I'll take it to my sewing machine and then join it. It's very easy to make a basic bodies if you follow this particular point, this particular thing I'm doing. You can make for an adult, for a child. It's very easy. It's not hard to make it. So I'm going to cut the second sleeve, because you have 2 sleeves. So second sleeve, then I'll take it to my sewing machine and then join it. It's very simple, and when you do that, you're going to have a very beautiful result. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my page. I'm going to be teaching you beginner. All my classes are beginner friendly. I'll be teaching you how to cut as a beginner. You're trying to learn how to sew in your house, how to learn how to sew yourself. So I'm going to teach you how to sew and how to cut. Thank you for watching. This is our shirt. Bye.